Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This house was recently renovated. It is a spacious 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in the very desired Kingston 6 area. It sits on 0.23 acres of land. It is a ranch-style unit with no stairs. It is in close proximity to supermarkets, universities, high and prep schools, as well as restaurants, doctor's office, just about everywhere in Liquanea area. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't really miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 78 million or US $506,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.